Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. So first of all, if we look into the rainfall activity over the country during past 24 hours, then we can see that Kottayam of Kerala has reported 11 centimeter rainfall during past 24 hours. Tamil Nadu, one station Ariyallur has reported 10 centimeter, and Kanyakumari, Thiruvarur, and Pondicherry and Salem has reported 7 centimeter of rainfall. One station over West Madhya Pradesh, Dhar, has reported 9, and Rayalaseema, Anantapuram has reported 7 centimeter, and Kolhapur of Madhya Maharashtra, southern Madhya Maharashtra, has reported 7 centimeter of rainfall. So isolated heavy rainfall has been reported over these subdivisions. As far as synoptic systems are concerned, so cyclonic circulation over East Central Arabian Sea extending up to 3.1 km above mean sea level is persisting over the region, and uh, the Sicer over North Andaman Sea extending up to 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level is also persisting. This Sicer over East Central Arabian Sea is likely to persist during next 3-4 days with the little southward movement, and this Sicer over North Andaman Sea, under the influence of this Sicer, a low pressure area is likely to form around 13th of October over East Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea. And there is also a western disturbance as a trough roughly along 70-degree longitude to the north of 30-degree latitude. As far as withdrawal of southwest monsoon is concerned, so in view of the those systems, we can see the weather warning over the entire country. We can see that over Gujarat there is isolated light rainfall likelihood over Gujarat today with the isolated thunderstorm activity, moderate thunderstorm activity, and over Konkan and Madhya Maharashtra there is scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall activity likelihood with the thunderstorm and lightning at isolated places. And after 12th of October, there is no weather warning for Maharashtra and Gujarat region, and but the rainfall activity over southern peninsular India, that is coastal and south interior Karnataka and Kerala and Tamil Nadu, is likely to continue during next 5 days. Over south interior Karnataka, over Kerala and Tamil Nadu, fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall is very likely during next 5 days, where Tamil Nadu is very likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 14th and 15th of October, whereas Kerala is very likely to receive isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 5 days. And those warnings have been accordingly shown in the orange color, very heavy rainfall warning for Kerala. All 5 days orange color is there for Kerala, and 4 and 5 orange color is there for Tamil Nadu. Now we come over to the withdrawal of southwest monsoon. So as we can see in this, this is red color lines are there, which are the normal dates of withdrawal of southwest monsoon, and we can see that the blue lines are the actual dates of withdrawal of southwest monsoon. So today we can see that on 11th of October, the 11th October, this blue line is coinciding with the 10th October, 9 to 10th October blue line up to the central parts of Maharashtra, and then it is dipping southwards, making the southwest monsoon withdrawal. Southwest monsoon has withdrawn from some more parts of Madhya Pradesh, some parts of it has initiated actually withdrawal from parts of Maharashtra, that is Vidarbha, and some more parts of Chhattisgarh, some parts of Odisha, remaining parts of Bihar and Jharkhand, that is entire Bihar and Jharkhand, it has covered, and some parts of Gangetic West Bengal. That is, it has just today the withdrawal line has entered into West Bengal also. The withdrawal line today passes through Siliguri and then Malda, Siliguri in South Himalayan West Bengal, then Malda, then our uh, Shantiniketan, and from there into Midnapur. From Midnapur, it is going into Baripada of Odisha, and from there to Bhawanipatna of Odisha, and then into Kanker of Chhattisgarh, and then to Chhindwara of West MP. And from Chhindwara, it is continuing as of yesterday to Indore, Gandhinagar, Rajkot, and Porbandar. As far as further withdrawal of southwest monsoon is concerned, so conditions are favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from most parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, most parts of Madhya Pradesh and most parts of Chhattisgarh, some more parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, and some parts of Northeast India during next 2 days. So that's all about today's weather briefing. Tomorrow we will again meet with the weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.